All right, students, this is a very short review to the situation in Central Europe before the World War started. Now, by the start of the First World War in 1914, there were basically three groups of countries that emerged. We had Russia, France, and Britain supporting each other in case of an attack through an agreement called as the Triple Entente. And then we had Germany, which was quite a considerably developed state supporting Austria and Hungary. We have studied already in the chapter, the First World War, that Hungary and Austria, they got into an issue with one of the Balkan states. The heir to throne for Austria was killed. So you see, this issue basically rose into a huge problem because Russia started to back up the Balkan states. Now, we have two distinct groups that emerged with Russia, France, and Britain together in one group, while the other group was supported by Germany with Austria and Hungary. These were considerably smaller states. We also need to understand that the Balkans had issues with the Ottomans, and since the Balkans were supported by Russia, the Ottomans had no choice but to join hand with the second group. So on the second group, we had Ottomans, Germany, Austria, and Hungary all together, while in the first group, we had Russia, France, and Britain. This is the situation in which the First World War started. Please remember that at that time, the subcontinent was a colony of Britain. So the Muslims in the subcontinent had to fight from Britain's side to enter into the war. Though they had their sympathies with the Ottomans, which clearly were the custodians of the holy places of Mecca and Medina. So hopefully this will give you a better understanding of what the situation was when the First World War started and what happened, what were the consequences once the World War ended.